Hey everybody, this is main point 2. So the first main point, you use sources 1 and 2, where you looked up biographical information. For this main point, you're going to use sources, I don't know if you can see this, 3 and 4. So where you got the information just about the disability. Now, I gave you that list of what kind of notes to take. If you look at the yellow boxes, you need this specific information, so it's a little different than the person. So you need to be able to clearly define what the disability is, like an actual definition. You need to explain the symptoms. You're fine. And then explain treatments. Treatments can also include therapies or classes or things that you can do at school. So the hard part for the first one, at least, is going to be the supporting detail for defining the disability. So I think if you want to add any extra information, like define what it is in the yellow and then add maybe a fact that you found about the disability, like 75% of adolescents have this or whatever. That would be a good supporting detail for that. For the other two, since you probably have a bunch of symptoms and treatments or therapies, you can just, instead of writing 5 sentences in the yellow box, you can spread it out between yellow and red, if that makes sense. Don't forget, underneath, highlighted in kind of purple, you need to cite your source. So you need to circle either which website you used for this information, and probably it's going to be notes from both source 3 and 4, so most of you are going to circle both. For the conclusion, again, it's fill in the blank, and really all you need to put is your person's name, and the rest is completed. And if you look at the topic sentence, same thing. Put the person's name, was diagnosed with, and then just you can list the disability. If you know any more information about when they were diagnosed or how, you can add that. Like if you know how old they were, or like I know Whoopi Goldberg was diagnosed in high school and she dropped out of high school because of it, because she didn't get the help that she needed apparently. Any information like that would be good. Do not forget a transition word in each yellow box. Please do not put first, second, and third. This is the list that I gave you. Get it out. Find new words for each paragraph. Please don't use the same ones that you used in the last paragraph. I will give you all back your note cards graded. Some of you might need to find more information, especially on the disability. If so, then you need to get your computer back out and finish your cards. Okay? If you're confused about anything, come see me.